probably really old. So I have something to say to you. I'm really young, so I'm bragging. In fact, I'm 12. 1 and a 2. That's 3 in math, but 1 and a 2 lined up is 12. So, what's life like in the future? Right now, I spend a lot of my time on computers. They are all like, oh, computers are going to be such a big part of your life in the future. So I'm wondering, is it a big part of your life? Because right now they're all like, yes, it is. A few days ago, I was jumping with my siblings on the trampoline. Do you remember that trampoline? Did anybody die on it? Or like get hurt on it? That would be pretty cool. Actually, no, that wouldn't be cool. That would be sad. What I'm saying is it would be cool, like, for you to come back in time and tell me. What would be even cooler is if they had time machines in the future. So, we also took these 2 squirt guns, Samuel and I. We broke them in half so we would have swords. How's Sam doing? In fact, or Alea, or Addie. A few nights ago we carved pumpkins. Mine was like the winky face, like the little emoticon thing. I think that's my best pumpkin yet. Do you carve pumpkins still in the future? Do you do Halloween even? What do you do as a job? I really want to be an actor, but I know it will probably not happen. And so I'm thinking of becoming a lawyer. I read this thing that said only 3% of actors are successful, or something like that. See, I used to be really into computer programming, but now it just seems boring. What are your hobbies? Right now I like making videos. This is actually a class project, what I'm doing right now, but it's cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sorry about the noise in the background. And if there are time machines, make sure to come back and visit me. Okay? Thanks.